Hi guys, let's learn ifs function in Google Sheet. So what happens, it's an extension of the if function. When we are using ifs function, it tests multiple conditions and what to do after the multiple conditions are met, one by one. Okay, so let's test it with an example. Let's say we are using ifs function and the first condition is A1 plus B1 is greater than 90, and we can say sum greater than 19. Okay, we can write a custom conditions or value, whatever we want. Let's say we write then second condition, if A1 plus B1 is greater than 50, we can write sum greater than 50. Okay, in this way we can write multiple statements. A1 plus B1 greater than 20, we can write sum greater than 20. Okay, and so on, and close the bracket, hit enter, and now it will give this sum is greater than 20. Just drag it down to the last statement and it will show you here there are no values which are satisfying these conditions. Sum is greater than 90, 50, 20, but this is not greater than 20, so it is giving NA. Okay, here sum is greater than 90, sum is greater than 50, sum is greater than 90. Okay, so this is how you can use ifs function in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching. Please